Hey, my name is Tim, and I have a business called Tim Batch, and I specialize in content production as both a filmmaker and photographer. Recently, I've appreciated the impact of music. Why? Well, music speaks to the soul whether you are musical or not. This, with great visuals, makes for an all round great experience. But there is one thing that takes it to the next level, which leaves one immersed in the story, and that is sound effects. Done wrong, well, it can be a disaster. Done right, and you'll be drawn right in. That's why I'm starting like this. You're drawn in already because audio, it creates intrigue and suspense. Today's video is all about that. And I'm going to re-edit a short snippet from a video I shot a couple weeks back in the snow, and will reveal this with sound effects only, and then I will throw in a soundtrack for that all-round experience. All sounds that you hear come directly from either On Location or Epidemic Sound. If you don't know who they are, click on the link above and watch that next. The reason I'm doing this is to hopefully inspire you to add this to your set of skills for you to get creative and for you to create amazing content. I hope you enjoy.